So you enrolled in Medicare Parts A and B and supplemental medical and drug coverage. But your claims get denied because Medicare still thinks your old insurance coverage is active. We'll show you how to fix this coming up next. Andy Stamus here with Medicare Mindset. Today's topic is about those first few months after transitioning to Medicare. You provide your new ID cards to the doctor or the pharmacist, but the claims still get denied. And that's because Medicare hasn't updated your coverages in their system yet. Here's how to fix this. Here's how the coordination should work when you choose Original Medicare plus a Medicare Supplement Medigap plan. Your primary coverage is Original Medicare Parts A and B. So that's your red, white, and blue Medicare card. And your Medigap plan will serve as your supplement to Original Medicare. And then here's how the coordination should work for a Medicare Advantage Part C plan. It's pretty easy. Typically, all you need is your Medicare Advantage plan for all claims, both medical and prescription drug. Do not use your red, white, and blue Medicare card. So what do you do in either situation if your claims are getting denied because either Medicare or the Medicare Advantage plan thinks your old insurance coverage is still your primary? In both cases, we recommend you contact the Medicare Benefits Coordination and Recovery Center at 855-798-2627. It's a separate department from the main Medicare phone line, so wait times are typically very short. You can either be proactive or reactive with this. We recommend you be proactive and make this call prior to transitioning to Medicare, which will reduce your chances of claims being denied because of coordination problems. But you can also simply be reactive and make the call if a problem pops up. When you call, explain to the representative what's happening, that your medical or drug claims are being denied because your previous health insurance seems to be still listed as your primary coverage. If you chose Original Medicare plus a Medicare Supplement Medigap plan, kindly explain that Original Medicare should be the primary payer as of a particular date, which would be based on when you made the transition off your existing insurance. And also have them remove your existing insurance from their database. The same goes for the Medicare Advantage situation. Usually you don't have to make this call when you choose a Medicare Advantage plan, as Medicare knows you enrolled in the plan. But if you do need to call, just let them know your old insurance should not be in play anymore and your Medicare Advantage plan is your only coverage. After you update the coordination, have your providers refile the claims that were denied. Moving forward, claims should process properly. And one final note, you may have to call more than once to make this stick, but usually one call will work. This is just one more quirk of Medicare, but now you're armed with the steps to fix any coordination issues. Well, thanks for watching, and please watch our other videos for more guidance.